All right, hello everyone, back with another video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be going through how to graph a linear function when you have a fraction-based coefficient. So we're given the equation y equals 1/3 times x plus 3. So let's go ahead and take a look at what x input values I should use. Now here's the key with these type of problems. Instead of using the common -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, when you have a fraction, you want to use the multiples of the denominator. So in this case, 3. Again, when you have a fraction coefficient, you want to use multiples of the denominator. So in this case, I always want to use 0 as one of my values. 0 is always easy to compute. Now, the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, and then of course 9, 12, etc. And then the first two opposite multiples of 3 are -3, -6. All right. And now I'm just going to plug it into my function. So y equals 1/3 times -6 plus 3. Well, -6 times a third is really -6 divided by 3, which is -2. And -2 plus 3 is equal to +1, so that's my y value. Y equals 1/3 times -3 plus 3. 1/3 times -3, well, that's equal to -1 plus 3, that's equal to +2. I'm going to plug in 0, 1/3. Notice how I'm using parentheses. 1/3 times 0 plus 3. 1/3 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. Continuing, y equals 1/3 times 3 plus 3. 1/3 times 3 is equal to 1. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. And I have y equals 1/3 times 6 plus 3. 1/3 times 6 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. Again, so to recap, when you have a fraction as your coefficient, and in this case, my coefficient is 1/3 and 1/3 is a fraction, you are using the multiples of the denominator, the multiples of the denominator. So in this case, 3. I always use 0. This input of 0, you always want to use 0 because it's very easy to compute. And it helps ensure that you have both negative x values and positive x values. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and graph these. -6 comma 1, that's right here. -3 comma 2, that's right here. 0 comma 3, that's right there. 3 comma 4, that's right there. And then 6 comma 5, if I can get it. There we go, right there. Now, the last step is to connect all of those points with a line. I'm going to try and do it as cleanly as I can on the computer. Yeah, it's pretty straight. And then I add arrows at the end of the line. So this was our first video on how to graph a linear function when you have a fraction-based coefficient. Thanks, enjoy, bye.